Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to insert a comment in Word. Inserting a comment in Word is essentially like sticking a digital sticky note onto a specific word or sentence. It allows you to leave feedback or reminders without actually changing the text of the document. And for this you need to highlight the text and right click and click on the new comment. And now type your note in the right side that appears on the right side of the screen. So put the comment, for example, please specify the places. And here, whenever you place cursor, it will be show here. You can also use the shortcut key, which is the Control Alt plus M. Control Alt plus M, and another comment box will be open on the right side, and here you can specify your comment which is linked specifically to that sentence, so the author knows exactly what you are referring to. For example, please specify the marketing strategies. So moreover, author can also reply inside your comment to say, and that is he can say that great point, I will update this soon, or you can click resolve once the change is made to tuck the note away, like this one. And here is also you can reply, for example, will be done in the next meeting. So you can also highlight that specific point to make it easily recognizable that here is the comment inserted, and it is also marked with the pink color. So this way you can easily insert a comment in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.